Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will do something different and very fun. The head of a reindeer with Christmas spheres. First, let's do a sketch on a grid. This will be the center and here let's draw the first sphere. We are beginning from the bottom. This lower row will have 3 spheres. The row just above it will have 4, and as you see they are offset. I mean, they are not on the same column, they are in between. On the next we draw again 3, and on the next one back to 4. This is the snout of the reindeer. Then we will increase to 5, always offset so it's just half a sphere further. And then we do 6. And here first I will do 7. And then one more on each side, which will be the lower part of the ears. Above that we do 4, then an empty space and 3 more on each side, which is the top of the head and the rest of the ears. Very good. On the next one up, we leave the one in the center empty and then we do 2 and 2. This for the beginning of the horns. Then one centered above each of those, and then 3 and 3, then 1 and 3 again, then 3 and 1. In case this is getting too confusing and in case you need the drawing, I am uploading the photo of it for you to the Fine Art Tips Facebook page. The link is below the video. I was missing one circle which I just drew, but I don't fully like it. So since I cannot erase this pen, I will use a white pencil and go over it, just to see how it would look without it. And I'm wondering about this other one. It seems a little bit thick up there. I think I will take also this right here. Take it off. Okay. Yes, that's better, I think. I'm sketching as we go, as you see. Now let's more or less center it on this wooden board which I previously painted white, and we will mark the grid to make sure we go straight and we know where to place them. For our design we used a total of 23 lines wide and 29 lines tall. Since I am amplifying it, I'm making the distance between every line 3 centimeters, which is about 1 inch. You can change this depending on what size you want it to be. And actually, since vertically we only used every 2 lines, to save time I just drew them every 6 centimeters. The vertical lines we did use them every 3. Good, we are ready to nail it. Okay, this is the center of the bottom row. We place a nail right here, and then remember there is one to the right and one to the left. Oops, I made a mistake. As we mentioned, we will use only every 2 lines. Good, because the other lines are for the next row, which is offset, like so. And we have 4 there, remember? I'm just copying our diagram. Please be very careful and do not hammer your artistic fingers. Here goes the upper part of the head and the ear. Very good. And the top of it. Using this same process, this technique, you can design other animals or figures. Very good. We are done with the hard work. Now we have the easy part. We just need to hang the spheres. I recommend starting from the bottom and moving up, because otherwise the spheres themselves would be on the way when trying to hang the other ones. The list of materials that I am using for this project is in the description below the video. And as I have done recently, for the first hour after it gets published, I will be live answering all your comments and questions. As a reminder, my tutorials always get published on Tuesdays at 10 AM US Central Time. Earlier I told you to center the nails on the board. Now I realize that was an error, because as the spheres hang a few centimeters below the nails, then it got uncentered. we should have nailed them a little bit higher to compensate. The last 2 spheres, and it's ready! If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe to find out tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.